off here. Today we're in Atco, New Jersey at Atco Dragway. It's a really cool track. This is one of our first import races of the area, so it is packed here. Let's check out some of the race action. That was a nice run in qualifying. Can you tell me about the car, the setup?
Yeah, sure. It's actually a street car, so it's on pump gas with ethanol injection, a 72 donor rotor on it, tile wastegates, tile blow-off valve, Caltech, filtered clinic injectors. So this is exactly the way I drive it on the street.
Wow.
I pulled it for drag week to drive 1,000 miles towing a trailer.
How much horsepower do you think?
Probably around 800 horsepower.
What's your personal best, ET?
That was it.
Oh, really? Congrats.
Yeah.
All right, well, first round eliminations coming up. Good luck.
Thanks.
Year, make, model, motor, and setup.
Civic, 1.8, 72 mile turbo, just went 860. So.
What's your personal best? You ran a...
Yeah, it went 820s.
Okay. I thought you had an 80 one of these days, but...
I'm working on it.
Yeah, before the end of the year, right?
Yeah, definitely for the end of the year.
Well, you're number one qualifier. Good luck, have fun, be safe.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Whoever can do push-ups the longest will be the winner. And you will win $100 cash. You will win tickets to the import face-off. And we got a little extra prize that we're going to throw in the mix. So if you think you're strong and if you think you're ready, raise your hand right now and I'll pick 15 people to come out here. Hey, get down. You're the first one to raise your hand. Come out. I saw you already. Who else we got? 15 people. What's up?
Oh, we got side cut.
I need to see some hands. Somebody wants to get in this or what? I gotta see some hands. We got one. Come on, G. Come on. That's two right there. I thought people would be rushing this.
I got blue hoodie coming.
Come around, G.
Come on in.
Come around.
Need to hang with Noel.
Come on, G. You got it? Let's go. Come on.
Who's got this
5. Where's the girl at? Where's the girl at? Yes, there we go.
Oh, he's taking his shirt off. Yeah, they gotta take the hoodies off at least, right?
2, 3, 4. All right, line up. Start lining up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Line up, line up. So start here. Line up right here. Line up right here. Line up right here. Line up. And 1, 2. We got nobody else. No other brave souls out there want to step forward. All right, come on. Line up.
Hey, we got one right here.
Fly around, fly around, fly around.
Get $100 out of there. Oh, you're like now. Yeah.
All right, come on, dog. I don't know why I was just taking your wallet. $100 cash for the winner, along with import face-off tickets. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And you know how hard it is to get tickets. I mean, you're here.
Where's the female? Where's the female we had? We had one female.
I think she had lavender hair and she would straight get snack bar. I kid you not.
All right. I thought more people would jump on this, man. Straight up, straight out. I guess it was one. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Rowdy's coming in.
You? All right, you in? You in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We need 2 more people. 2 more people.
Oh, he's got a tick. He's ready.
I saw you. Come on. Put him up in the mix.
Yes.
You're number 15? Hold up, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Noel,
7, 8.
tell me this isn't the star of every early 90s sitcom right here. Right there.
I think you were on Silver Spoons, bro. The older people know that joke. Hi. Hi.
This is enough. This is good. This is good.
I'm going to let Keegan take over from here because I'm going to have to watch you guys. Keep my eye on you. So, here's our 15 brave contestants. First of all, give them a round of applause for having the guts to come out.
They got there.
And I'm going to let Keegan take over from here. I'm just going to say this last thing.
He's going to hold them up.
And whoever can do push-ups the longest, but straight up, straight out, they got to be complete push-ups.
Well, you got to help with this, right?
Go ahead, dog.
Well, we got to make sure it's not one guy doing 50 a minute and the next guy doing 3 a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's calling you out.
I ain't joining on.
He's
I'm
famous.
just, bro. I'm out of shape.
Yeah.
I'm tweaking.
He has an assistant to go do push-ups.
I'll do about 5 and be like,
You got to count like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I take it.
All right, gentlemen, why is it you want to dudes in front of me and you walk away? That's a setup. Guys, you ready? This dude's stretching over here. I like this. All right, gentlemen, on the count of 3, you're going to hit the ground and do like 1 a second till you burn out. If you're done, that's okay. You're a failure. In 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1. There we go.
DJ, can we get some music during this?
No music.
DJ, play some music. Play some music then.
All the way down.
No music. Lightly, man.
Here you go.
Lightly.
Man, I don't know if you're ex-military, but you do perfect push-ups over here. You got punished a lot. Oh, we got to bow out. It's okay.
All right, we got one guy.
One's out. It's okay.
Clear out. You're out. We
Thank
got
you for
one out
walking
here
out, man. We
already.
appreciate it.
One out here already.
If I see a long pause, we're done. If I see a long pause.
Yeah, a long pause, and you guys are...
Okay, you're done. These are 1/4 push-ups.
You're out, all right.
We got to be fair.
You're out. All right, we got people failing. We got people failing. Okay, we see some strain in here. We see some strain.
What do you do? You're done.
He's out. He's out.
Appreciate you
You're
walking
out.
out.
You're out. I saw that. You're out.
He's out.
You're out. Oh, man.
Keep going.
Keep going. All right.
Keep going.
Who we got? You guys are out. Whoever's
You got
out.
this, dog.
5. You said we're out. Step to the side. Whoever's out. Oh, yeah. You got this guy, right? That little kid is throwing it.
got the winner.